Right, this is a video of how to make your bike sound a wee bit like a motorbike. Don't sound too much like one, but because people in the street would tell you and call you a retard and send you to the room. Right, so you have to have a peg and about 3 cards. I put some more on to make it sound a wee bit better. I look like the bollocks. It sounds like bollocks. Right, so if I'll put this at the other side instead, because it's got more space. Right, so you put it through, and I have to be. It's best to put it beside 2 sides of spokes. You're about to not have any. Right, so it's both. Right, so I have to redo that. Looks like right. Right, both 2 sides of spoke. Put it in. It's okay if it goes down like that, and it doesn't give me crap. Right. Right. Yes.
Right.
Oh, just fix this.
Come back down and I'll stand here.
Oh, my foot touched the splitting frame. Oh, screw that. Let me stand like in the middle of the road. Yeah, just tell
We
me
should
guys,
wait until
your
the
foot
car
touches
comes.
this a lot.
You should just wait until the car comes.
Yep,
Sit
your
there.
foot touches it a lot, so you need to be careful. And then the finish will be a fail then. Right.
Hello. This is such a crap job. Good boy. Sorry, I dropped that there.
So, did you like the sound of that?
Screw that.